Before we start, there's a free London guide linked below. It maps everything I'm about to show you so you don't waste time when you get here. Because most people come to London and experience it completely wrong. They spend hundreds on attractions and still miss the best parts of the city. London has a reputation for being expensive, and yeah, it certainly can be. But what's rarely explained is that some of the most important places in this city, the ones that actually define it, don't cost anything to access. And yet, people walk right past them. Not because they're not interested, but because no one shows them how London actually works. Once you understand the structure of the city, everything changes. Because London isn't expensive. It's just not explained properly. It starts with the institutions, the cultural anchors of the city. Places like the British Museum, where you walk through the story of human civilization. The Victoria and Albert Museum, where design, craft, and history converge in ways most people don't expect. The Tate, both modern and Britain, where the conversation shifts from classical to contemporary. And spaces like the Queen's House or the Wellcome Collection, which most visitors never even consider. And that's just the surface. These are the places that give London its intellectual weight, and they're all free to enter. But London isn't meant to be experienced as a list. It's a city you move through. From Westminster and Big Ben to Buckingham Palace, through Trafalgar Square and into Piccadilly, past places like Spencer House or the Albert Memorial in Kensington Gardens. These aren't just landmarks. They're connected politically, historically, and spatially. And when you experience them this way, the city starts to make sense. And then you step back, because London only reveals itself fully once you see it from a distance. From above at places like the Sky Garden, or from the hilltop in Greenwich, or from terraces overlooking the city's skyline. That's when everything you've just experienced begins to connect. I've grouped all of this into a series so you can experience London the right way, without wasting your time and precious resources moving through the city. Each episode goes deeper into the institutions themselves, the routes that connect them, and the places that give you perspective and depth. What to look for, what matters, and what most people miss entirely. And if you want to actually use this, the full guide is on my site and everything mapped out so you can follow it when you're here. But this is where it starts, because London isn't expensive, it's just not understood.